Hello and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you 3 Subarus you need to install for Assetto Corsa. Enjoy! The first mod is the Subaru 22B, which is a rallying legend in real life. Back in the mod community, however, it is one of the best made mods, with it being one of my most used mods. The reflections are amazing. I'll link up a video now by Sir Spats Gaming who did a more detailed video on it. Although this next mod may look similar to the first mod, I can assure you it is a completely different animal. The main difference is that the 22B is a strict rally car, whereas this a road-legal homologation version of the aforementioned model. So far, the mods have been 90s and early 2000s Subarus, whereas the final mod is a much later model, a 2007 Subaru Impreza WRX SDI. However, this is not stock. It is actually a real-life project car turned Assetto Corsa mod. The handling is up there with actual Kuno's cars, and the sound is pretty good too.